Hello guys, welcome to another quick tutorial. Today we're going to take a look at how to speed up or slow down clips in DaVinci Resolve. So as you can see, I have a clip here that I want to speed up. The first thing you want to do is to cut the clip so that you have the part that you want to speed up or slow down. You can do that by using this tool, which you can activate by clicking on it or pressing B on your keyboard. You then want to go back to the selection mode, which you can either do by pressing on it or by pressing A on your keyboard, and select the clip you want to speed up or slow down. You then want to open the inspector and click on speed change. And you can now move this slider or type in a number to change the speed of your clip. 200% is double as fast as normal speed. And you can now see that we have successfully sped up our clip. Thank you for watching and goodbye.